Cracks were developed in nearly 200 buildings and in over 50 spots on the playgrounds and croplands in Kamalga and J of Modi Bazar after the country was shaken by a 5.5 magnitude quake originated in India's state of Tripura Tuesday. Witnesses said sands and water are still coming out through the cracks in the Kumrikapan village of Kamalga and J Upazila in the bordering district, reports our Kamalga and J correspondent. The correspondent said over 150 buildings including Kamalga and J Municipality Building and Upazila Headquarters newly built auditorium developed cracks in the earthquake.